Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to hang a heavy wall mirror. Now, the first thing we've got to consider is the attach points in the wall. And what we want to do is we want to use a device that has a higher rated as far as the amount of weight it will hold. And usually these are rated in pounds, and you can find something that is probably rated around the 7,500 to 100 pound range would be really good to use. These type of hooks that we have up here in the wall are very good to use. These actually self-tap and screw directly into the drywall, and they give you a very solid, secure attach point that will not pull out. And they're a lot easier to use than having to use toggles. Then the next thing we need to do on our heavy mirrors is we need to install on the back side of it a couple of these loops. And then between the loops we'll install this picture wire, and it's special wire that has special, a lot of tensile strength, so it means you can pull on it and it's very tough, it will not break. So once we have this in place, and you want to make sure when you loop this around that you loop this wire around to terminate at least 4 or 5 times. So with that wire on there, then we can support the picture, and with our hand just guide it up over these 2 hooks. And of course, one thing that's nice about the wire on the 2 hooks is it's easy to make sure you mount your mirror and make sure it's straight up and down. And you can be assured that using those heavyweight attach points and hooks for your wall, and then using the picture wire on the back, you don't have to worry about hanging very heavy mirrors such as this. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to hang a heavy mirror.